Welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn Minds. In this video, I'll tell you how to create an account in Leonardo and generate pictures using text. Let's get started. First, we need to create an account in Leonardo. Open the Google browser and type Leonardo AI. On the first website that appears, click on it. You will see this interface. Click Create an Account. Our email and password can be used to create an account, but I will use my Google account instead. Select your account. Click on the Continue button. The interface will be open. The next step is to choose a username. Now I write Arisha. I need to find out my interests. Because the username Arish already exists, I'm adding Zahir. Upon clicking this button, you will have to confirm that you are 18 years old or older. Click on the Next button. Simply click on Let's Go and you're done. Your Leonardo account has been created successfully. Now click on Let's Go to get started. You have received 150 credits a day here. With one prompt, you can generate many pictures. It would be better if I could generate 2 pictures at a time so that I would be able to generate more pictures with 150 credits. So I select 2, scroll down the page to select our pictures ratio. My YouTube channel requires a 16.9 picture. So I choose 16.9. I write prompts for big elephants, 8K, HD, and Pixlar. Click on the Generate button. Here are 2 high-quality pictures it generated for us. The result can be viewed. We will click on Generate Prompt if we wish to generate a prompt. At the same time, I would like to generate 2 prompts. To generate prompts, we need to give an idea. I'll write a big elephant. Then click on Ideate. 2 prompts have been generated. We can edit it according to our needs. Once you are satisfied with the prompt, click Generate. It has generated 2 high-quality pictures. Our next step is to check the second prompt. Then click on Prompt Generation. Click on Generate. This is the result. The style of your picture can be changed. I selected HDR and clicked Generate. Wow, what beautiful high-resolution pictures have been generated. To download the image, click this arrow. The pictures will be downloaded. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.